Today I will be discussing about the 14 principles of management which was introduced by Henry Fayol. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So before explaining or listing out the 14 principles of management, let me tell some information about Henry Fayol. Henry Fayol, he is considered as the father of modern management. He was a mechanical engineer and also a management theorist. He contributed 14 management principles for the administrative function of the organization. So next let me list out the important 14 principles of management. And they are: first, division of work; second, authority and responsibility; third, discipline; fourth, unity of command; fifth, unity of direction; sixth, subordination of individual interest to general or common interest; seventh, remuneration of employees; eighth, centralization and decentralization; ninth, Scalar chain; 10th, order; 11th, equity; 12th, stability of personnel; 13th, initiative; 14th, Espirit de corps. Espirit de corps means unity is strength. There should be team spirit among the employees of the organization. So that is the meaning of Espirit de corps, which is known as unity is strength. So let's wind up today's session, and tomorrow I will be coming with the explanation of the above 14 principles of management. Thank you.